This is the final box of Mosaic Mega. This one is going to Noah. Appreciate it, man. I've got a Karis LeVert, red. Got game Vucevic, RJ Barrett. Rookie in there with Charles Barkley. Team USA. John Collins. Got game Pascal Siakam. Jackson Hayes, Romeo Langford. And the MVP, Mr. James Harden. Picture just makes me laugh. Alright, we got rookie Ty Jerome, Wahoo Wah. Old school of T-Mac. Pascal, Kabengele, and Karl Malone Hall of Fame. Next up is a Fred VanVleet. Silver, rookie debut, Rui Hachimura. Nice. A Jordan Poole, Jarrett Culver, and Taylor Horton Tucker rookie. Bam Adebayo. We have a George Hill, Larry Legend, DeAndre Hunter, and Grant Williams rookies. Daniel House, Keldon Johnson, the silver rookie. Garland, Taco Fall, and Tyler Herro rookies. Jalen Noel, red rookie. Old school Patrick Ewing. Stockton Hall of Fame, Thibault and Jackson Hayes. We've got a Luke Kennard. LeBron James, Jam Masters insert. It's a pretty sweet looking piece there. Carson Edwards. Kendrick Nunn, rookie. Malik Monk. Russell Westbrook, Will to Win. Chamberlain, Bol, and Tyler Herro in our last pack. Genesis is amazing in this stuff. Got another Ty Jerome, NBA debut. Then old school Patrick Ewing, RJ Barrett rookie, and Ja Morant to finish it on out. All right. That will do it. No, I appreciate it again, buddy. I'll get it all packed up and shipped out ASAP.